Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's completely up to you. And then let's find the contact which you wish to edit and then tap on it. And now we have to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture, and here we've been transferred to the full list of different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So first of all, device photos, where we've got the camera and gallery. By tapping on the camera, you can open the camera up and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. You can pick something from the gallery, so from the photos you've previously taken, same from Google Photos if you've got it backed up. Here we've got monograms. So after tapping on the circle, we can enter the first letter of the name, surname, or whatever you wish. Change the background color if you want to. You can also change the font, the type of the font, and the thickness of it. As you can see here, we've got the thick one, and here we've got a lighter one. Moreover, instead of using the monogram, you can also use emoji. So just tap on this option here. Here you can pick the monochrome option, so you will have more the icon rather than the emoji. And simply tap on it to use any kind of emoji you wish. As you can see, you've got plenty of the categories to choose from. You do not really have to use the photo of someone's of this person. Moreover, here at the top you've got the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So again, if you do not have a photo, you don't want to take a photo, you can choose something from those options. Maybe find something which resembles you of this person, etc. So let me pick maybe something from those options. Let me choose this one. Basically just tap on the specific option. Here we've got also the presets, so you can change the colors, and you can also crop the picture. So it doesn't matter if you will use the illustration or you will use a regular photo, you will be able to crop it. So you can zoom it in or out just by using two fingers here. You can also change the position of it. You can change the size of this highlighted circle, and basically thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.